Welcome to the course contents of the Sales and Marketing course. Get financing, start a business, grow the business, and hire employees are key steps to entrepreneurial success and expansion. Starting a business involves planning, securing financing, registering the company, and launching operations to offer products or services to customers. Creating a business plan involves outlining objectives, market analysis, financial projections, marketing strategies, and operational plans to guide the business's growth. Get financing by exploring loans, investments, grants, or crowdfunding to secure the necessary funds to start or expand your business. Hire employees by identifying roles, posting job listings, conducting interviews, and selecting qualified candidates to join your team. Train employees by providing orientation, hands-on practice, mentorship, and ongoing education to develop their skills and enhance productivity. Market the business by identifying target audiences, developing compelling messaging, utilizing various channels, and measuring effectiveness to attract customers. Running the business involves managing operations, overseeing finances, supervising employees, fulfilling customer needs, and adapting to market changes for success. Grow the business by expanding market reach, increasing sales, diversifying products or services, and investing in innovation and strategic partnerships. Wrapping up a business involves closing operations, settling financial obligations, distributing assets, and formalizing legal proceedings to cease business activities. Job opportunities include marketing assistant, manager, product marketing, marketing analyst, and public relations specialist, each offering unique roles and responsibilities. Are you ready to take your sales and marketing skills to the next level? Join the Kickstart Sales and Marketing program, where strategy meets success.